Again, this is your professor for Great Speeches of the 20th Century, Dr. Randy Clark, and welcome to week 2. The goal of this week is to explore the persuasive functions of social movements and also to address the stages through which social movements tend to progress or retreat. Persuasion is the primary agency through which social movements perform essential functions that enable them to come into existence, to satisfy requirements, to meet oppositions, and in some cases, even to succeed in bringing about or resisting change. We will focus on 6 interrelated functions of social movements discussed by theorists for more than 50 years. 1. Social movements attempt to transform perceptions of social reality. 2. Alter self-perceptions. 3. Legitimize themselves. 4. Prescribe courses of action. 5. Mobilize people to act. And lastly, 6. Sustain itself until the mission is complete. Understanding how social movements perform these functions will enable us to begin answering the question central to the interpretive systems approach, an approach that you were introduced to in week 1. Which individuals conceiving themselves to be what people in what environment use what relational patterns and what adaptive strategies with what evolutionary results? To understand complex communicative events, theorists have organized social movements into cycles and phases of human interaction. We will explore the work of Richard Crable and Stephen Verbert, which describes how issues pass through 5 status levels. Thus, we can better understand social movements by looking at each stage in the lives of a typical social movement to help us understand the ever-changing persuasive requirements, problems, and functions of social movements and rhetorical forces. Again, I'm your professor for the course, Great Speeches of the 20th Century. Let's get started with week 2.